Hey guys, this is Thomas McIntosh with Macintosh Trading, and today I'm going to be bringing you guys another video, and today we're actually going to talk about the time frames up here. So my main ones are the 1 minute, the 5 minute, and the day. So for this particular example, I actually don't have any stocks that work with the 1 minute because the volume wasn't really moving around here, but I will give one example of the 1 minute. So right around, let's just say here, as you can see the price was dropping and then you see a little doji candle. On this green candle you can actually see that that's an indicator that the price would be moving up, because a doji candle at the bottom means that the price is going to move up usually, and then a doji candle right here at the top, that actually indicates that the price is going to move down. So this can actually be really helpful with profit taking on the 1 minute, because a lot of times you won't see that on other time frames when you're trading in such a short-term time span. So right here, you could have entered right around here and then set your stop just under this. So you could have entered in right around here, 41 or less, and then put a stop literally right under that. So your risk would have been pretty low, and it actually went up to 49 around here. And I believe it went up even higher as the day went on. Now another thing to note is this VWAP line right here, which is something I use quite a bit. It actually crossed that line and held it for a while. So although the volume was low, the strength was still there because it did not cross below that line. It went above it and held it, so you could know that a move was coming again. So on the 5 minute chart here, this is actually the same chart that we just looked at for the 1 minute. You can see the price dropped and then it stayed constant, and you can't actually see that first doji candle. I believe that was actually somewhere up around here, the doji candle, and then it flew up above the VWAP and then it held it all day. But on the 5 minute it actually didn't hold it right here. But on the 1 minute, if we go back, sorry about that, you can actually see that it did hold that line. So on the 1 minute it crosses that line and holds it, but if we go to the 5 minute and go back to the same exact spot, it actually crossed right below that line one more time, which would give you an indicator that it's actually not showing that strength. The last one I'm going to show you guys is actually just the daily chart here. So this is the last time frame that I use. I usually use the 1 minute, 5 minute daily, like I said. So on here, this just gives you a broader picture, and you can actually see the supports and the resistances. So like this one had a slowly increasing every day, which is usually a bullish thing, and then you can see the volume was increasing. And right now I'm actually bearish on MVIS because you can see this doji candle right at the top. You can see the RSI on the daily is actually 73, which is entering overbought territory. And it crossed above this gray Bollinger Band, and it actually is quite above that. So I would say this is a good trade to get out of for now, and just wait and let it cool off and see what happens from there the rest of the day, or the rest of the week. So that's all I have for you guys on time frames. This is just a short little video. I didn't go super into detail about them, but this kind of gives you the basics of which ones I use and why. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.